Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles in a waffle maker. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready, including flour, eggs, milk, and butter. A good waffle maker is key, so have it preheated and lightly greased. Preparing your batter correctly sets the foundation for perfect waffles, so follow your chosen recipe closely for the right consistency and flavor. Achieving the perfect waffle starts with your batter. Begin by whisking your dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt together in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients such as eggs, milk, and melted butter. Then gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Remember, overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough waffles, so stop as soon as the streaks of flour disappear.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these waffle tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: for all your recipe reading or just enjoying a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's get to cooking. Make sure your waffle maker is fully preheated. A light usually indicates it's ready. Lightly grease the plates if your maker isn't non-stick. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the center, depending on your maker's size. Close the lid and cook until the waffle is golden brown and crispy, typically when steam stops escaping from the sides. Once cooked, serve your waffles immediately to enjoy them at their best, warm and crispy. Classic toppings include maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. Don't be afraid to get creative. You can add chocolate chips, blueberries, or even a dash of cinnamon to your batter for different flavor profiles. Waffles are incredibly versatile, so have fun with your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.